Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel once more. I go by the name Mind Zone TV. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how you can optimize your Upwork account for you to be able to get clients and for you to be able to do your micro tasks and jobs also. Yeah, so if you're a returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel. Welcome back again. So in this video, I'll take you step by step on how you can set up your profile and revamp your profile, optimize it to a well standard that you'll be able to get jobs on Upwork. Yeah, so just sit back, stay tuned, and get ready for this explosive event that I'm going to show you. So let's move into my screen now. So this is my Upwork account. It's one of the Upwork account that I have. So um this is what it looks like if the as you can see this is verified. Is verified. This freelancer identity has been verified through a government ID check and a visual verification. You will see their verified name if you enter into a contract together. So, and now to let you know that if you don't have any job on Upwork, if you've not done any job on Upwork, you won't get this verification badge on your account. So at least even if it's a minimum of one job to get this verification, some people are lucky, they may have, some people won't be lucky to have. So now the first step you need to take to revamp your profile is you need to have a good headshot, a good official headshot like this, something that just go to the studio for them to take a picture of you using a digital camera, using a digital camera. So it will look official and well looking in a good background that is visible, and also have a good heading title like this. As you can see, this now is straight and direct. Calendar management slash blogging and SEO, virtual assistant. It's very strict and direct. And all you need to know your bio. Sell yourself in your bio. Your bio is just like your resume, and let me say it's just your CV. Is your gateway to any job. If your bio miss it, you miss it all. So try to have a good bio and concise. It should carry the details of what you do, not ranting, speaking too much word that I can do this, I can do that. No, just go straight to the point, make it concise, and list your services there, what you offer there, and have a good CTA, a good call to action. Yeah, like you can see now, it say, let's get started. Kindly send me a direct message here on Upwork. Click on the invite to job button or simply hire me now to benefit from my superpower because you deserve all round rest. If a client sees something like this, the client won't know when he or she will start smiling and click the invite button immediately. So these are some of the tricks that you need to know, and also you need to have a well designed portfolio. If you don't know how to design a portfolio, and if you need a portfolio, you just leave down in the comment section that I need a portfolio, and I will help you with that. You can create a landing page portfolio, a website portfolio, an image portfolio also. Just if you need a portfolio, just leave that in the comment section and I will help you with that. So now you come over to the skill. This is also a vital aspect. Don't just come to your skill and add different kind of skill that isn't corresponding with what's on your title here. Put skills that are relevant to what you can do. What if they wake you by 3 a.m. in the midnight, by morning, anytime they woke you up, you can do. So that's it. Put skill that you can do, not skill that maybe I can do. No. Your client won't want to know that you can, maybe you can do this. Your client assume that you already know what you're doing. That is why he wants to hire you. So know what you're doing on Upwork or in any other freelancing platform. And also this for projects. Maybe you have a project just like how Fiverr is. You can set up your gigs and put them online for sales so you get orders. And testimonials also. Testimonials. Ask your friends on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on WhatsApp. Just tell them that you need testimonial, that they should help you, or go to your previous boss that you need testimonial for one or two jobs, one or two jobs on Upwork. So you just tell them and they will help you. They will you just all you just need is their LinkedIn link and their email, and then you send it to them and they will reply back to you. And also insert your certificate also. If you've done a course on Coursera, if you've done a course on ALX, you just put the course, the certificate here, and your work history, your employment history also. Add your employment history here. So these are the basic things that you need to do. If you're getting value from this video, just do me a favor right now by hitting the like button and also turn on the notification so that whenever I upload a video like this, you can have it right in your doorstep. So now let's move forward to the next phase of revamping your profile. Yeah, in the specialized profile, you can have more than one profile inside Upwork account. Yeah. So now, I'll just go to my specialized profile. Yeah, I'll go to my specialized profile. Let me go to my specialized profile, and so you can see my specialized profile. So this is my specialized profile. This is what it looks like. Virtual assistant slash data entry specialist, specialized in data entry. So you also make this concise and have a good bio, make it short and something that is related to what you're doing. Yeah. Okay, this associated with this is an agency account. So I have an agency account that I work with. Yeah. So that's how I was able to get this verified badge here. And also you also have a portfolio also for the specialized profile. So whatever niche you are into, you can just leave that in the comment section that I need a portfolio for data entry, for calendar management, for appointment, for Airbnb. I will help you with that. Just leave that in the comment section below and I will help you sort out everything on portfolio. So now let's go down to the skill category. So we click on profile setting. Click on profile setting. It will take us where we can set up our. So these are profile setting. So once you're here in your profile setting, make sure that your visibility is public and both short term and long term projects. Yes. And also, what you will have to do if you are a beginner, put entry level. If you are intermediate, like you have knowledge on this title that you're using, you have broad knowledge, you can use intermediate. Yeah. But this is a new account, so I'm just putting this for a start. That's why I'm starting with $3 now. But at let's say around 6 months or so, I will increase the budget there. So now under category, what you will have to do is to pick the necessary things that you need and make sure it is two, not more than two. Not more than two. Like in accounting and consulting, I'm not in that niche. Not in that niche, so I don't have to pick anything. If you are in this niche, you can pick any two here. You can pick two from this list. As an admin support, a virtual assistant also support as an admin. It also help an admin support too. So you just click virtual assistant here and project management. So for others, customer service, you pick customer service and take support. It covers everything that's here. For data science and analysis, data extraction, ETL covers everything that's here. So you just pick two from here. That's how it is. You revamp your profile like this. Once, let's say a week, you twerk it. You twerk it. You twerk it means you come back, you change some things again and again every week. So it will be revolving. So the algorithm will be sending your profile to clients. So your profile will be get visible for Upwork client to see. If you're looking, if you want to get a job, you come to the place where you see find work and you find work here. So you click on it like this and then you select the job. Best match. Most times do go for jobs that are best match and you can search for jobs here also. The best match is also good. The one that is newly uploaded. So you can immediately get response from the client. So and also make sure your profile is 100% verified and completed. So that's it for this tutorial of revamping and optimizing your profile. There are much more to learn, but I don't want this video to be too long. I'll just stop it here. And so, thank you for coming this far in this video. Thank you so much. I still go by the name Mindzone TV. So, do well to like this channel and also share this channel to your loved ones, your friends, your social media, for them to also get this value that you just got right now. So do me the favor right now by sharing this video. Share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. And also leave in the comment section if you have any question and I will help you with that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And bye bye. Okay.